Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Otterburn Park is a charming town nestled along the Richelieu River in Quebec's Montérégie region. Originally, Otterburn Park was part of the Saint-Hilaire parish and served as a First Nations trading post long before any settlers arrived. Its modern roots trace back to the 1880s, when it became a weekend getaway for Grand Trunk Railway employees and their families. Back then, it was a lively spot with playgrounds, bandstands, dance halls, and a canoeing club along the river. People from Montreal would come here to relax, enjoy music, and spend time outdoors. In 1953, Otterburn Park officially became its own town, breaking away from Saint-Hilaire. Interestingly, it's the only town in this area with an English name, reflecting its early English-speaking residents. But over time, the town has shifted towards a French-speaking majority, with only a small percentage of English speakers remaining today. Otterburn Park is bordered by the Richelieu River to the east and the scenic Mont Saint-Hilaire to the west, which is part of a UNESCO-designated biosphere reserve. This reserve protects a rare mix of plants and animals, making the area a real treasure for nature lovers. Locals here value their green spaces, and you'll find people enjoying activities like hiking, birdwatching, and just soaking in the natural beauty. Today, Otterburn Park is a peaceful residential community, offering a blend of rural charm and suburban comfort. It's a place where people cherish the outdoors and a slower pace of life, surrounded by the stunning landscapes of the Richelieu Valley.
Thanks for watching!